As I mentioned, there was,
So what exactly did you say? Ano sinabi po yung mga pangalan na ito?
ma'am, that again is executive privilege. Ma'am, let me explain, ma'am, let me explain.
Hello, good day sa ating mga viewers yan. Welcome back po sa ating channel at sa ating FB page na React Moto. Today, tingnan natin yung mga bali-balita na nangyari sa mga nakalipas na araw at kung ano na yung mga balita sa The Hague, Netherlands, at panoorin natin kung paano magdepensa si John Vic Rimulya pala doon sa nangyaring pag-arrest kay Tatay Digong, kung totoo bang siya yung mastermind o may mastermind o ewan ko, kasi parang napanood ko konti, parang magulo yung sinasabi niya. So para matapos to, panoorin natin.
Nagsalita po ang ating mahal na Secretary John Vic na ang nagplano po rito, o yung pagkaintindi namin, ang nagplano ay kayo,
Like
Secretary Anyo, Secretary Gibo Chodoro, at ang pinangalan, ang Chief PNP, General Marbil. Parang apat yung pinangalanan sa isang interview ng ating Secretary ng DILG.
Can I answer that, ma'am?
Yes, please, your
The question was, who planned this? I did not state in any way who planned it. The meeting was
Doon sa interview niya nung nakaraan, o yung pag-aresto o after the day na si Tatay Digong, may lumabas na interview na hindi lang siya nang nagplano, bagkus meron pang iba.
of executive privilege. It is a conversation between the president. Once I mentioned, there was.
So what exactly did you say? Ano sinabi po ninyo?
They
Ang
asked me-
pagkaintindi namin, itong apat na pinangalanan ang siyang nagplano.
No, ma'am, we're already invoking
Namin.
executive privilege in this matter.
Yes.
So yan ang mahirap dyan pag nasusukol ka or paiba-iba na yung isasabihin mo. Magde-declare ka agad ng invoke the right to privacy
We're invoking executive privilege in this
Yes,
matter.
that's fine. But it's in the
o executive privilege pala. Pero yun nga, paano pa niya executive kaso may binanggat na siya mga pangalan.
interview. And it's
Yes, ma'am. It goes as far as the interview, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'd like to understand. I think your brother was trying
I
to
did not
explain
state in any
what
way.
he said in the interview, and I'm happy
They
to
asked
hear
me
it.
if I planned it. I said it was not me. There were other people in the room, but we did not discuss any plans of any arrest.
Saan ang galing yung mga pangalan na ito?
Ma'am, that again is executive privilege. Ma'am, let me
Pero
explain, ma'am. Let me
nandun
explain
sa
first, ma'am.
interview po eh.
Yes, yes,
Ang
ma'am.
liwanag
Let
eh.
me.
Nandun nga sa interview. So ito, tingnan natin tong interview na to, kung pareho ba yung sinasabi niya o magkasalungat.
Explain first, ma'am. We were discussing rumors of an impending arrival based
Parang
on.
hindi yung ganun ang dating sa amin eh. Ang
That is
pagkaintindi namin,
the whole
apat ang
truth,
nagplano.
ma'am. That is we were discussing rumors. Go ahead, ma'am.
Patugtog na lang natin para maintindihan ha.
And was that the plan from the very beginning? What was, and who was really on top of this? Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the president, it was you and the president.
Yes.
So ikaw
Diyan pa lang sinabi niya na siya at ang presidente, edi huling-huli ka talaga sa pinagsasasabi mo.
ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman, hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chodoro was there, Secretary Anyo was there too, and the President and I. So, hindi naman ako. Ako lang ang natira last man standing doon sa Malacanang. I stand by that. Kasi Secretary Chodoro was working out of his office sa Campo Linaldo.
Sinabi
Yes, ma'am.
ninyo,
Secretary Anyo, of course,
pakyaw-kyaw dun
is
sa
So, di ba?
Chief Intelligence. So he was.
Patayin na muna natin. Pakaliwanag naman ang sabi ninyo, hindi ako mag-isa kahit ako
Napakaliwanag na sinabi niya, hindi ako mag-isa.
ang presidente nung nagsalita
Yes, ma'am.
sa press con, hindi ako mag-isa ang nagplano. Isang grupo kami. Tapos pinangalanan mo.
No, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo eh.
I state, ma'am, again, executive privilege. But, ma'am,
Walang executive privilege kasi binunyag na ninyo
I-
sa
Ayan,
TV.
Paano ka ba mag-executive privilege may binanggit ka ng pangalan?
It's very clear, as I stated very clear,
Ayan, natatawa si Amy.
that there was no mastermind. We were discussing mainly about what the president's statements were in Hong Kong, and it was based all on that statement, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo mag-isa na nagplano, kundi isang
There was no
grupo.
planning, ma'am.
Pero yun ang sabi eh.
I said, hindi ako nagplan.
Magkaiba yung sinasabi ni Remulla doon sa interview niya nung after huli si Tatay Digong. So hindi nagkatugma-tugma na.
Marami
May
kaming-
isang grupo na
ang
nagplano.
We were all talking about a rumor, ma'am, and that was all.
Rumor lang yon.
Yes, ma'am.
Group effort ang sabi mo eh. Ang tanong niya kung ikaw ang nagplano, tapos sabi mo,
There was no
hindi,
planning,
group
ma'am.
effort.
There was no planning, ma'am.
Anong in-effort ng group
ma'am,
kapag hindi
let
plano?
me make
I think that including into executive privilege already, ma'am. I think that we please
No, I'm
respect
just
our.
asking him to explain the media.
Yes, ma'am. But it's already
I'm
a very thin
confining-
dividing line between what transpires in a room between
I will-
cabinet members
I will-
and a media statement. But there's a very thin dividing line, ma'am.
Understood.
I hope that we can respect executive privilege.
So ganyan na pag mangyayari pag nasusukol na or nahihirapan na sumagot.
Pero ngayon, sinabi kasi sa TV, paliwanag naman ninyo sa atin kung ano ibig sabihin.
O
Kasi ang sinabi,
kitang-kita naman sa interview niya na confident siya na gano'n nang may mga kasama siya. Tapos biglang mag-iiba. Ano yun?
di ako mag-isa na nagplano, may grupo kami.
They asked me if I had planned it. Sabi ko, I did not. I did not plan it. I said we were there, and not to skirt, ma'am, executive privilege. It was mainly because of the statements of the former president in Hong Kong that he said, in his words, ma'am, in Hong Kong, that, I think you have a clip, he said that, ang reading ko ay may ICC.
Hindi naman yun ang nandun sa interview eh. Kakaiba yung interview. Sabi nga, ikaw at may kasama ka na nagplano.
Warrant of arrest na. That was the best of my recollection, ma'am.
So anong pinag-group effortan? Anong
To discuss the rumor,
ng
ma'am.
grupo na
But again, ma'am,
pinangalanan nyo?
as far as I will invoke in executive privilege, there was no, you cannot plan on a rumor, ma'am.
Kaya nagtataka
So,
ako,
again,
bakit
ma'am,
group effort? Chismis lang naman yun.
Chismis nga. Ayun
Yun na nga,
yun.
kung chismis, bakit mag-group effort pa? Tapos pinangalanan mo
Ma'am,
pa lahat na
maraming
nagpag-group
marites sa
effort?
mundo
Chismis, mag-effort pa, group effort pa.
to, ma'am.
Dabis naman yung marites, dami-daming
It
marites
was a
sa amin.
discussion of a rumor based on the statement of the president in Hong Kong. Secretary Anyo, of course, his special
Ayan, binanggit niya pa yung pangalan ni Anyo.
his intelligence, so he was gathering all the
Dito sa interview na to, proud na proud siya eh, na yung mga kasama niya.
information in his source, in his location. So ako lang ang nasa Malacanang, Roman. So
Tapos mag-iiba bigla yung ihip ng hangin.
he served this role, and the information that he gathered and shared was very reliable, and
Such as, is there
such
anything you can share?
as the conversations on whether or not they would go home.
Ibig sabihin, yung mga lawyers po sinasabi kay dating Pangulong Duterte.
Parang gano'n ang lumalabas sa mga sources.
Sources from Secretary Anyo?
Sources ni Secretary Anyo.
Opo. And he relayed that to the core team. So the core team is the President, yourself, Secretary Anyo, Secretary Teodoro, and
The President.
the...
It was a discussion of a rumor based on the statement of the President in Hong Kong.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop fucking lying.
So, kayo nang bahalang magdesisyon kung nagsisinungaling ba sila o hindi. So, kung nakaabot ka sa video na to, maraming salamat. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video, please pakishare, like, and subscribe, or follow mo na rin yung page ko, React Moto, at YouTube channel ko. Thank you sa inyong panonood. Until next video, babush!